Traders are really watching what's happening with cryptocurrency. That includes day trader Mike Shorr of Prosper Trading Academy. Always a pleasure to have you here, Mike. What is your trade?
So what I'm looking at, everybody has seen this big implosion in cryptocurrencies. A lot of the issue is that most people are not able to trade it. And because you can buy Bitcoin, but actually trading it like you would an option or even a stock is really not that easy. If you want to trade the futures or options on futures, the margin is just way too high for your normal run-of-the-mill retail trader. So what do? You look for proxies. So I'm looking at proxies, things like Mara, M-A-R-A, Coinbase, Riot, to some extent Square and PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and even Tesla. But what I'm looking at here is Coinbase. And really, it's kind of interesting. I'm running it. I'm making my decisions on Coinbase more on the Bitcoin futures chart because there's really not enough data in the Coinbase because it just went public. So looking at something and looking for meaningful moving averages, you're just kind of trading air. But we do know that it has a high level of coincidence with the price of Bitcoin. So I'm looking and seeing these cryptos that earlier in the week bottomed out after that huge implosion. So I'm just looking to buy on any sort of dip in coin so that it's very liquid in the options market, buying at the money, and maybe you hold it for a few hours.
Trading crypto, including Bitcoin, is risky, and I'm glad you mentioned all of the other stocks in the crypto space that you as a trader are watching so you can gauge the bigger picture.
Correct. Nothing moves on its own. Everything is taken in context. That's one of the first things that I teach my students.
Thank you, Mike, for your trade of the day.
Of course, thanks a lot. Keep that risk in check.
Yeah, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.